Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will convert this isometric drawing into the 3D model. We have here isometric view as well as the orthographic view. So first we will create our body and on our origin plane, and now we will select this top plane and click on the sketch, and we will go to the model tab and off our origin planes. Now the first thing which we will create is to create outer boundary. So we can see that center to center distance is a 22.5 and this is a R18. So we will go to the slot option and create a slot, and after that I will select this origin point and this point and add the horizontal relation, and this center to center is a 22.5 and this radius is of R18, and now I will make it symmetric, this 22.5. so I will click here symmetricity constraint, select this point and this one. So this is the fully constrained, and now we can see that thickness is of 4.4. so we will come out of the sketch, click on the pad and give the thickness 4.4 mm and click on OK. Now I will switch to the isometric, and now we will create this outer boundary. So I will select the face and click on the sketch. I will project the geometry this and this, and again I will create a slot, and this slot's outer radius is a 7.6. so select the radius, give 7.6, and now again create a slot, and give the inner radius R5, select it and give the 5, and now I will move it. Now I will close the sketch, and here is a total extrusion is given from the bottom is a 16, so 16 minus 4.4. so we will click on the pad and give here 16 minus 4.4, click on OK. Now here we can see that here is a cut, so we will again edit our sketch, and we will make inner one as a construction, click on close. Now we will create a cut of 5 mm. so select the face and click on the sketch, and here I will project these two arcs, and now I will create a slot, and this inner one is of R5, click on close, and now we will remove the material for the depth of 5 mm. so click on cut, give the 5 mm, say OK. Now we can see here two through holes of dia 5. so we will select this face and click on the sketch. Now we will click on project geometry, select this edge and this edge, and this is of a hole of 5 mm. so we will click on the circle create the circle and give it a diameter of 5 mm. This one also 5 mm. Click on close, and now click on the pocket tool or hole tool. You can use the both, so I will use the hole, and diameter I will give the 5, and in the condition here I will set it true all. Click on OK. So you can see that we have created these 2 holes. Now we will create these 6 counter bore holes. We will switch to the isometric, then select this face and click on the sketch, and now we will project the geometry, and now here we will create a slot, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, and slot is of R13. So we will select it and give it R13, and now I will select all the line of this slot and make it construction, and now I will create holes. Okay, and this is a 3.4, so I will select and give the diameter 3.4, and I will select all these and make it equal. Now I will move this 13 mm, and now I will create 2 circles here. First thing, we will add the coincident relation with axis coincidence, and then add relation with this coincidence. Similarly here we will select it and make it coincidence, select it and make it coincidence. Now here again I will select all these 3 and make it equal. Now I will come out of the sketch, and from here I will switch to the flat lines, and here I will select the whole options, and here I will say isometric regular profile, and from here I will select the counter bore, or here I will select the none, here I will select the counter bore. So inner depth is a 3.4, so I will give it 3.4, and outer one is of 7, we will give the 7, and spot face distance is a 1 mm, and click on OK. So this is how we have created this part in FreeCAD. Now if you want to give the same color, then go to the appearances and click on here shape colors, click on OK. So this is how we have modeled this part in FreeCAD. So this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.